Welcome to the Painful Life. I am Payne, and today we are doing our Fun Day Fridays. And so we got our 20-sided die. I got $20 right here. And this is what we did last Friday. It turned out really pretty. After I'm done, I think I'm going to turn these into placeholders. That'll be a nice way to do it, and hopefully by that time I'll have enough money to actually use them as placeholder. I'll just white out that and put a denomination whichever I want, and so let's do the back side. This will be the other side of it. Like I said, I'm going to do a back-to-back money holder. Hopefully these won't like rub off on the money. So I don't know. Hopefully my money won't turn colorful, but we'll see. If they do, well then I'll know I'll probably need to spray Fix-It-In or something like that on it. But hey, it's a good start. I love that. That really turned out nice. Let's see what we can do on this side. This one's is the Ying Yang, the Tree of Life, and this is really my first time drawing trees, so I'm still kind of learning. And the roots are kind of turned out bigger than the top, which, you know, in real trees, that's usually how it is. I'm going to do my two favorite colors, purple and teal, for the yin and the yang. And then then I'll do some other type of flowers on top of it. I haven't decided what kind, maybe what's good with teal and purple. I'll have to look on the color wheel what's kind of a complementary color. I don't know. I'll just grab any, mini, miny, mo, probably. All right, let's get started. And I will put this into hyper mode. Oh, wait. First, I need to roll the dice and see what we're doing. All right. And for this one, I don't know why I have an extra $1. I think that was in here. I want to get this recorded because it's supposed to be hyper mode and fast mode. So it can be under 5 minutes. We'll see. Anyways. Alright. Today's is going to be $1. Okay, some days that's just what it is. One whole buck. So this will be going into the money. Well, into this one. I'll be doing a different envelope for it later. So $1 it is. That will be the $1. All right. Let's see. $1. $1. $1. I'm just gonna put this in pencil. Cause some days you get $1 and some days you get 20. Cool. So we'll put that. Oh, I gotta do a picture. Picture. All right. I'll put that in there. So that means I'll have $14 for this last 2 weeks. I'm doing these. They're about 2 different ones each ones. And then you'll see it. There's a peek at the next one. I got my bunny. I might do some henna tattoo on them or something like that. I haven't decided. And then that one. I need to go make some more. Anyways. Let's get started. And let's do some purple. I think I'm just going to do a solid purple. I wonder if this will bleed through. Should I try? Let me see. Let's see. Is it bleeding through? Well, I don't see it. We'll see. All right. I'm just gonna get a little bit marker in there, and then I'll outline the rest with the dark purple as well. Might just do an outline. All right. Let's get the hyper mode in. We'll see how this turns out, if it's going to be good with these 2 colors for the main part, or if I should have stayed with pencil. But, well, we'll see. Well, apparently this was not teal. This was green. It still turned out really pretty. It's a completely different color, so aquamarine, but it still turned out really pretty. I had the tree kind of taking some of the green from the top into the bottom part, and then the purple one taking some of that and put it into the tree on the top part. So it still kind of has the yin and yang, where you have a little bit of the female aspects and the male aspect, and the male aspect and the female aspect to kind of keep balance. Then you also have the tree life in it as well, which is, circle of life and all that stuff, which is, both. I love the yin yang and the tree of life. It's both very awesome. So I think that turned out pretty well. Cool. And I used what is this? This is actually a chalk marker, because I wanted something, because I wasn't sure if the purple would show up on it, so I just kind of made some like little white type of flowers, or just kind of white out the back a little bit. And then I went over with the purple. Purple didn't hold up as well, so I did some of the dark purple marker. So we just have all different types of purples in there, and it actually turned out really nice. I kind of enjoy that. So when this is all done, this will be a really nice, maybe $100 placeholder. I'll just wipe these out and put like $100 or something in it. So got the tree of life and some flowers and a moon. So thank you for joining me today. That was really fun. I will see you on the next one. Love you all. Bye.